don't give up. And brothers and sisters, tell your friends, your cousins, and your neighbors to come back with them next year. Overlook any little error like the water was cold and should have been hot. Overlook the chicken that with 3 legs running that that supposed to have been 2. Overlook the little things that we always complain about. You know, give him a chance to do what he do, because there are many untold stories like Dr. Asari coming to America through Africa for Africa to heal you. I have a family, big family. My grandfather had 36 children in America. I'm one of the 30, well, I'm the child of one of the 36 children. So I have lots of people that I care about in America. And I want Dr. Asari, when you go there, because I don't go there like that. He can go and heal my people and our people. So let's continue to support Bumani because of your sake. It's one big family. The brother wouldn't do this for money only. He has an inner calling. So let's load that plane up. Let's buy our own plane. I mean, let's get serious and just by any means necessary. Let's steal some money from these people that have been robbing us and buy some planes. Listen, I owe student loan. Let's liberate the money. Let's liberate the money by any means necessary. If you have to, let's get us a few planes, and let's give the brother a break on all this, you know, Delta Airline foolishness that they charging. I just went to emergency travel to America 3 months ago. The banker said, Dahveed, we want you to give me $2,000 cash before I let you get on the plane. So with that, we want to pause and thank everybody and open the floors for question and answer. And then we're going to close out and invite you back again. So I thank you all. The floor is open. Any questions? Raise your hands.
Come on right up so everybody
Come on up. Don't be shy. I know you got a bunch of questions. Who's going to be the first to break the ice? The menopause, Dr. Asari?
Yes. With our herbal and natural healing practice, we've tried as much as possible to go back to the ancient forms. We don't want to make it so medicinal because the food, good food itself is medicine. So most of our things are in the form of teas, and the stock powder that you have over there can be used in your stew, in your soup, on your salad. And what it does is that it works effectively from the brain down to your central nervous system. Those of us with a little bit of biology knows that the brain through the medulla oblongata gets into your neck and gets into your central nervous system. So it's a joint brain. So each time that you have stress, you listen to things that make you annoyed, things that beat you down and all those things, it can help you with all those things. In fact, we've already started experimenting it with people having ADD, a memory problem, Alzheimer's, and anything that has something to do with the brain and the hormonal system. And it tastes so nice. I'll pass one around for you. It's food. Okay. And the next thing we're talking about also is this. You see this word here, marble beater. The marble comes from the word in my language, krobo, or even gun, called a powder or a cereal. Now, this has been a modified ancient time food for warriors. Yes. They mix it with plantain and other things and put it on. Those of you who are going to the village, you say in the kitchen, they have a place where they dry their meat and they put it there, it becomes hard. And you can take a small cake like this. It was not made into powder like this. I've modified it. And then they put it in their sack bags and can stay in the bush during wartime for almost weeks and sometimes months. And you just eat a piece of this, it can take him the whole day and sometimes for a week. and it was taught by my great grandmother. So I asked myself, no, if this thing could keep people for all that long, then it might have a very good concentrated nutritional pack. So I decided to make it, and the first time I sent it to Standard Board for them to look through the nutritional value, well, I was shocked myself. Think of all the superfoods you have ever seen in America, and it had almost everything. B1, B2, this, that. So this is not like something new we have coined from the forward classroom. This comes from ancient times, and that is how most of our healing systems are also. Like the tea we have is an ancient combination of something we cook in the house. They normally call it dido or dido in those days when we were young. Before you go to farm, the pot is there. You have to take a shot before you go. Unlike these people's medicine, they will tell you have to eat before taking it. Okay, this one you take it on empty stomach. So it's food.
Right.
Theirs is dangerous because if you don't eat before you take it, it's poison. It will kill you. But this one you eat it on empty stomach. So the medicine itself is food. So it is the food that is going to heal you and heal you properly.
Great. Okay, we'll take two more questions and we'll just come together. Okay. So it looks like we have a great beginning, so we'll just break here and then just interact, and you can get a chance to see the products, get the NIM, get the Moringa, and of course the books, and get the addresses, and let's be family. All right, don't become a stranger. You know what I'm saying in Ghana? Don't become a stranger. All right, don't go and get lost. Nobody know you. Stay in contact with your brothers, with your sisters, with your children. Stay in contact with Mother Africa. Okay? Please don't forget Mother Africa. With that, we would like to get our elders to say a closing prayer, and then we call it 2012 a new beginning.
Let us bow our heads. We thank you, Most High, for overseeing this meeting and bringing forth your spirit into our midst. Now, we ask you to return unto the many thousands which are in. Selah and Hotep.
All right.